Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The economic calendar for the next few days highlights a variety of events that could set the tone for market trends. High-impact releases will be in the spotlight, but medium-impact data could also shift sentiment. The impact of these events can vary, so keeping watch is vital. Analyzing the market's response will help in making timely, informed decisions.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
US stocks closed in negative territory with a resumption of Tuesday's tech sell-off as investors contended with mounting economic uncertainty and stretched valuations. All three major US equity indexes lost ground as risk appetite was dampened by worries over inflated stock prices. US spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds have recorded more than $2 billion in outflows over the past week, marking their second worst withdrawal streak on record. The heaviest day came on Tuesday, when investors pulled $566 million. The US dollar fell against the euro and Swiss franc for a second straight session, as data showed weakness in the US labor market, increasing expectations of another rate cut this year. Meanwhile, sterling rose after the Bank of England kept rates unchanged ahead of this month's budget.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The last session saw the dollar fall 0.6% against the yen. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted 2.6% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The oil fell 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.